How to hide birthday on Snapchat? So today's tutorial will be about hiding birthday on Snapchat. Make sure to watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you'll get knowledge about how to hide birthday on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. Firstly, open a Snapchat app on your device. Make sure to sign in on your Snapchat account, then tap on the Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen. This will let you access to this page of your profile where you can tap on the gear icon at the top right corner to access the settings page. On the settings page, you'll be able to find out birthday where you can simply tap on it and get access to this birthday page. So to hide your birthday on a Snapchat, there is no any specific tool that helps us to hide birthday on a Snapchat, but here is one option that allows others to know our birthday, which is this birthday party. So whenever you have birthday, then this will add a birthday emoji next to your name, display a special birthday charm, help friends find and celebrate your birthday, and some other fun surprises. So when you untick mark this box, then the birthday party will not be shown whenever you have birthday on a specific date. So this will help us to hide birthday on a Snapchat. So that's how we hide birthday on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment on this video. If you are new to our channel, subscribe and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from this channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.